Hello Transformer Nations and YouTube, and this is another Latin label unboxing. And today we have here the Junkion Blacksmith J-08 Matrix of Leader unboxing. So it's basically their representation of what should be the matrix of leadership, and in the spirit of that, I am wearing first edition Prime matrix of leadership. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox this puppy. So, I just saw that my name is there. Bubble wrap, bubble wrap. Alright, let's set that aside to play with later. And this is the box. You can see Junkion Blacksmith J-08 Matrix of Leader. So they can't use the name because they're not the official makers of this. Some other company was. So they have to go with Matrix of Leader instead of Matrix of Leadership. And there you go. It says Junkion Blacksmith. Web search, if you want to find it, made in China 2013. Junkion Blacksmith Studi. Should say studio, but it says studied. That's alright. It's not easy to speak another language. That's coming from somebody who speaks 2 fluent languages. There we go, that's that side. Very colorful on that side. On that side. I bought this from, I'll put it in the description below, from Chimung Toy Shop, and it came out to $69.90. So it's basically $49, and then $20 for shipping. But I saw that they have it on other websites, including eBay. Alright, so let's go ahead and continue opening this bad boy. The base is in here. Come out, come out. Oh, interesting. Not heavy at all. Hollow plastic. Very nice color. Gold color. I hope you guys can see that. See how that gold color. And here is the matrix. Nice weight to it. Get detail on that. Very nice. This looks like, nope. Alright, and then you can go like this. Oh, cool. I did not know it did that. I've seen a couple reviews on this, but I forgot it did that. Boom. Yeah. So cool. So basically, that's where the Autobot logo would go. Very nice, guys. Holy moly, I'm so happy about this. Holy moly, this is nice. Wow. Alright, so I have some stickers from Repro Labels. And it looks like I don't have the right size for this. That one's too big, huh? It's bigger than the thing. I'm gonna look at, I keep all my Repro Labels in this Repro Labels envelope they sent me. So I might have more. Let's see. No. No. It's too bad. Looks like I might have to go with that little one. I wish this big one would fit, but this big one is too big. Alright, let me take one of these little ones out. Guys, this matrix is really cool. That looks ridiculous. But it's better than nothing, huh? Alright, here we go, guys. Let's do this one more time. Whoa! Alright, so and that's it. Junkion Blacksmith J-08 Matrix of Leader. Matrix of Leadership. Thank you for watching. God bless.